This is my very experimental aquaponics type setup. I have a large tank here that has a filter that water from the resaca goes straight into, filters down, goes into a hose that also has another filter and runs into the top of this tank to help aerate it. Inside of that tank, you can kind of see the float for it, but I have a pump inside of a bucket with another filter. This float, when the water level gets to about right here, the pump will turn on, pump the water back into the top tank until it drops about 6 to 8 inches, and then the whole process starts again. So the water is constantly being filtered and is dripping in here constantly and running constantly, but the pump is only going on occasionally. I'm going to plan on checking the nitrate levels, and when the nitrates get high, I'm going to use the hoses that I have hooked up to the other side of this tank out into the orchard and use the nitrogen-rich water to water orchard plants, which will hopefully help them grow better. Then after that watering is done, water gets pumped back out of the resaca back into this top tank, and the filtration process starts all again. I think it'll work well. There is an option to make it a closed system. If I put a bed here between these two tanks, then I can run it as just an aquaponic system and grow plants in there and have them filter the nitrates. But at the moment, I wanted to see what it would do for the orchard first. There are already fish in here. We'll see how it goes.